my proven take all my money method to get tons of sales. Now, let's go right into step number one. Let's not waste any time. Step number one is take your core product. So you take the product that you want to sell. Okay, I do consulting on marketing. Okay, I do sales funnels. Okay, I sell haircuts. Take your core product. Step number one. Step number two, ask yourself, what is the next problem my customers will need to solve? So you got your core product. Okay, I need to cut hair. What's the next problem that my customer will have? Hey, maybe, you know, when they don't have the occasion for me to do a shampoo for them, maybe they don't have the right products to take care of their hairs. Okay, I'm going to sell and to add them a product for them to take care of their hairstyle. Maybe they need to style their hair a proper way. I know they want to do that because I know my customers. So I'm going to add that specific product to make sure that they can do that on a daily basis. And maybe they don't know the right way, because I know as a professional hair cutter what's the right way to make your hairs every day, what are the best process to do that. I'm going to make a video that shows them the perfect way to do that and bundle that into it. You see how you are adding products into that and adding like, okay, what's the next problem they will have? What's the next problem they will have? And what's the solution I got to that problem? You do that and you bundle that around your core products. And next step, which is the last one, 3-step process, easy. You add them, you add those things to your core offer, to your core products, to raise the value until it's 10x the price of what you want to sell it. So that's what I recommend you guys to do. You basically add enough product. Let's say you want to sell it for, you usually sell your products for, let's say $30, and you want to sell it for $90. That's a great thing. The goal for you is to increase the value up to $900 to make it look like a big deal. And that's the way you're going to be able to do that. Remember, sell dollars for dimes. If I give you a dollar in exchange of you giving me a dime, you're going to want to do that exchange again and again. So make sure that you do that thing and you increase the perceived value until it's nine, in that case that we took, $900, and then you drop the price to, okay, the real price that we're going to make it is $90. So let's keep it in the hair cutting example, because that's an easy example that we just did. Okay, remember, we are wanting to cut hair and we want to make sure that that new customer that we're having, we are giving them the best options to start with you, and you want to charge $90 for that haircut. I don't know, for us in France, we usually charge like 15 euros, 20 euros. So that would like look like somebody that would charge like 60 euros, like triple the price for us in France. So that's a huge price. That's like luxury, like haircut kind of thing. Like you got to make good haircut if you want to do that. So what can you do that? What can you do in order to increase that value? So as I told you guys, okay, you have, let's say you add 2 products to make sure they take care of their hair. So that increases the value by like accumulated 50 other euros. Then you add your guide to step by step how to have the best haircut in the money. Okay, you add like another $150 of value. Then you had your guide to how to style your hair properly. Okay, then you had another 150 euros. Then you had maybe the list of the best like products you can use with your products, combining with them that you know are working great. You put the list, a guide together, and then give it to him. So okay, you add another $20 of value. And then let's say you had, what's going to be a great thing that you had? You had them a drink. You give them a drink, give them an option to choose a drink that they want. Okay, that adds still a lot of value again. Then you have the shampoo that you can make with them that has a great value. Then you have the massage. I talked about the massage in the beginning of the show. And then you have a pretty substantial offer, you know. But the thing is, remember, it's not that complicated to deliver that value, because you're like, oh yeah, Gabriel, but I'm doing all those things for just like, I'm doing that $900 of value for just $90. That's a bit of a steal in my part, but I get it. The thing is, remember, in the hair cutting example, you're only doing a massage, giving them a drink, and you are giving them an haircut. which will be the added cost and the shampoo. So if you added all the costs together, it will cost you not the $90. But what rises the value again, as I told you guys, is to add information product that you do one time. You do an ebook on what the best guides to do that, to get the product with that. You do, as I told you guys, what did I share with you, like a video on how to style your hair properly. Those videos you do them one time, and then you can basically add them whenever you want to your offers. So there is no added cost for that. You see what I mean? So then you can basically charge that amount. And honestly, with that amount, with that offer we just created, you can go into the 100. You know what? Now, why do 90 when we can do 100? So let's go into the 100, and you can definitely charge something like that. Like first time offer, let's go into that. And I just lost my heroes. But anyway, that's the way I would do it if you wanted to increase the perceived value of your offers.